Binary numbers can look intimidating the first time you see them. Once you look closely, however, you can see that binary is a very simple number system, simpler than the decimal numbers that we use every day in fact. This is because it uses just two numbers, 0 and 1. Converting between binary and decimal is also really easy once you know the method. So let's learn that now. First we need our whiteboard and a binary number. Now we have our binary number, we want to use place values to convert it. To get our place values for any binary number, we start with the rightmost digit. This is the least significant binary digit, also called a bit. It has a place value of 1, so we put a 1 above it. To get the remaining place values, we move left one digit at a time and double the place value each time. This is an 8-bit binary number, so our remaining place values are 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64 and 128. Now that we know the place value of each of our bits, we can start the process of converting it into a decimal number. To do this, we want to know which place values have a 1 underneath them. The values we need from this example are 64, 32, 8 and 1. So let's write those numbers down. And now we just add them together and we get 105. So using the place values, we have converted the binary number 011010001 and found that it represents the decimal number 105.